Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to install Android applications on your Windows device. Now, the process is very simple. So for that you will be needing an emulator. In this case we are going to use BlueStacks. So just simply search for BlueStacks on your Google Chrome browser or any browser, then open the first link. Now make sure not to click on this download option over here. So the option that you have to click on is called See All Versions. Now just simply scroll down, and if you're using Windows, just simply click download button for Hyper-V. Make sure that it is supported Hyper-V over here, and after that just simply choose the option and download it. Then click on start download, then click on open. Now simply click yes. Now just simply launch it and install the application. So the installation is going to take some time, so just simply be patient and wait for the complete installation to over. So after that, when your BlueStacks is completely launched, so all you have to do is click on this option. Now over here you will find Play Store option. Choose that. Now just simply sign in with your Google account in Play Store over here. Give it a few seconds. So just simply click on sign in. Now just simply enter your email address and password and just simply sign into your Play Store account. Then click on next. Now complete the verification process. Then click on I agree. Now again, wait for a few seconds. Now over here, just simply choose whatever you want, then click on accept, and after everything is completed, you should see that your Play Store is now active. Now, all you have to do is just simply download any application that you want, as you would do it in your Android or iOS device. So let's say for example I want to download WhatsApp. So just simply click on WhatsApp and choose install. Now the installation will begin and it will install just normally as it would do in Android device. Now just simply wait for a few seconds, and just like that your WhatsApp have been installed. Now if you go back to the home screen of this emulator, you'll find that WhatsApp also have been added over here, and you will also find the shortcut on your desktop. So if you want, you can directly open it from here. Now if you try to open WhatsApp, it will just open as it would open in an Android device. So just simply wait for it. Now just simply complete the fill up process. Now just simply enter your number and you're good to go. So that's it. And thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to our channel, and take care.